2021 Ford Expedition Limited, $46,998. 2021 Lincoln Corsair Reserve All-Wheel Drive, $33,575. 2022 Ford Mustang Convertible Premium, $23,940. Ray Varner Ford in Clinton, I-75 exit 122, or shops online at rayvarnerford.com.
All right, just a quick afternoon weather update. We don't have any storms out there so far, but showers and thunderstorms will start to build along the Cumberland Plateau and the mountains from here on out. You can see with our visible satellite imagery, the clouds really starting to build along the Cumberland Plateau, and again, starting to get a couple of radar returns barely showing up on the plateau as of this lunch hour, and across the mountain counties with more sunshine here in the valley. And that's really going to be the story today. It's orographic lift. We don't have any major storms on the way, but the heat of the day will help that air to rise and produce a few afternoon showers and thunderstorms. Our Futurecast has a good handle on that, picking up our timeline at noon here. And again, here are those showers and thunderstorms developing across the Cumberland Plateau. Some of them may drift their way into the valley, so heads up Anderson County, Roane County. But again, across the mountain counties is where we'll see the majority of the rainfall throughout the day today. So relatively dry conditions in the valley, storms developing across the plateau and the mountains. Some of you may get some good thunderstorms and no major severe weather risk throughout the day today, but that does change as we head through the day tomorrow. 70s here at the lunch hour. We're working our way into the low to mid 80s throughout the afternoon, so more summer-like weather is on the way. Severe weather starts to ramp up across the region as we head through the day tomorrow. A level 1 and a level 2 risk for East Tennessee. Not talking about anything major, but we are going to see some scattered showers and storms that we have enough instability in the atmosphere to produce some isolated strong storms. We may have a couple of rain showers early in the morning and then increasing coverage of those showers and thunderstorms throughout the day on Thursday. And then the cold front starts to head our way as we get into Friday, and that's going to ramp up the rain. So all the way through, say, Saturday, I know this says through Sunday, but through Saturday is when we're going to have the rain. We're all likely to pick up anywhere from a half an inch to possibly an inch. So the uptick in rainfall has really started to increase across the area. And so I'm going to hang on to about a 40% chance for showers and thunderstorms as we head through Saturday now, because it looks like these storms will linger. So we'll go low 80s. Today and tomorrow, upper 70s on Friday. Saturday and Sunday, we'll be back into the low 70s. Sunday is going to be a beautiful day. It's looking more like a 50-50 weekend. And then next week, the summertime heat starts to build its way back in. I'll be tracking those storms. Don't forget, you can also track these afternoon showers and thunderstorms with the East Tennessee Weather app. Scan that QR code in the bottom right-hand side of the screen. Have a great day.